Hi guys, it's me, Dr. Nasir, back again in Let's Crack OET Together. First of all, thank you for so much support. We are close to hitting 3000 subscribers on my new channel. Today's video, as you have seen on the title, is very important. In this video, I will explain it to you in very concise and simple way that how I prepared and how I got 400 plus in all the 4 subtests in 2025 recently. I will cover each subtest separately, how to practice, how to improve your core skills, and how to clear the exam easily. As I know, a lot of students are struggling with the reading and listening subtest. So I will put a more focus on that. So before starting the video, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel and press that bell notification. If you want to order new practice material, which is based on the difficulty index of OET exam and which has helped a lot of students clear their exam, you can visit my website drnasiracademy.com. Link is in the description. Make sure or contact me on WhatsApp and order it right now. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Number first, starting off with the listening subtest. As you guys know that OET listening is the first subtest that you will encounter in your OET exam. So how to prepare for OET listening? A lot of students, they only do practice material from YouTube and get a score of 33, 34 thinking that their listening is very great. But once they go to the exam, the difficulty index changes drastically and they fail the listening subtest. And despite attempting only practice material again and again, they are not able to clear the exam. You guys have to understand that it is not all about the practice material. It is about building your core skills. If you are not building your core skills and your English is not that great, it will be very difficult for you to clear the listening subtest. First of all, you need to have the authentic material. Every morning, 6 a.m., you must be awake, you must have a good breakfast, and you must be doing one listening subtest every day. Why I am suggesting a time of 6 a.m. because I used to do my listening subtest at 6 a.m. because there are no distractions at that time. And for listening, you require a lot of focus and not be distracted, else in the exam you will also be blurred. The second important thing is improving your vocabulary. A lot of students, they make spelling mistakes and they do not know about the synonymous words. So when they go into the part C of the listening subtest, they do not even know. They are just looking for straightforward questions which are not present because everything is in paraphrased context. And there are traps and distractors. So as long as you are not building your synonymous words vocabulary, or for part A, you are not improving your spellings, it is very difficult for you to clear the exam. For that purpose, I have made it very easy for you. Daily on my website, drnasiracademy.com, for free, I am posting 10 synonymous keywords and 10 spellings every day. So you can go there every day and practice it. That will really improve your vocabulary. For example, in a month, if you are practicing, you will learn round about 600 new words and 600 synonymous words. Boom! Your vocabulary has improved. The second important thing is the authentic listening material that you are doing. Always do the listening subtest twice. I know you know the answers. It is not an issue even if you know the answers. But in order to catch your mistakes, you have to do the subtest twice. And if you want detailed explanation for OET listening part C, or you want new tips and tricks, you can also visit my channel or can contact me down on WhatsApp. The third important thing in the OET listening is improving your hearing. A lot of students usually struggle. For that purpose, I used to recommend to watch the Good Doctor show every day, daily for 20 minutes. I'm not saying to spend hours and hours on it, just 20 minutes. Open the subtitles and see the subtitles while you are hearing. What will happen when you will do this thing? Automatically, you will be seeing that the things that you are listening to, they are correct. And these things will help you improve your skills and automatically help you clear your exam. Now, moving on to the reading subtest. Reading subtest is one of the most toughest subtests that students are not able to clear. And the big reason is that if your listening subtest doesn't go well, automatically it is a 90% chance that you will fail in the reading subtest too. Why is that? Because once you're listening subtest, like you haven't attempted it well, automatically what happens, you lose your morale and then you are not able to put the 100% in the reading subtest. Now, for reading, a lot of students struggle in skimming and scanning. And similarly, they are not able to improve the speed, they are not able to manage time in part A. So, for that particular purpose, I have pinged a link here of one of my class in which you must go and must watch and complete, in which I've helped students how to improve their reading, skimming and scanning skills. I have given words, I have put a timer, and you have to find the words with the timer. If you are able to do this exercise again and again, automatically you will be improving your skills, and in the exam it will be very easy for you to do the part A within 13 minutes. The second important thing is improving your reading speed. A lot of students, they do not focus on this thing. What do? They just are doing the practice material again and again and again. No, you do not have to be like that. You have to be unique. To improve your reading speed, what you have to do, you must have a clock and you must have one of the novels that you like. For me, the best one were The Adventure of Huckleberry Finn and The King Solomon Mines that I used. But you can pick based on your choice. And now, listen to it very carefully. If you want to improve your reading speed, do one thing, read 2 pages of the novel and put on a timer. Any time that you take to read those 2 pages, the next day reduce the time and then reduce it. Automatically, you will be improving your reading speed. The second important thing where students struggle is they are not able to understand questions in part C and they make a lot of mistakes there. So in order to improve the paraphrasing skills, what in the reading part C, what you have to do, you have to read the articles on theconversation.com/health/UK or the bmj.com. You can read the articles here, especially those of the randomized controlled trial which have statistics. I am posting one article each day on my website drnasiracademy.com. You can go there and daily you can read one article starting off from Wednesday. Why I am saying to read statistical articles? Why I am saying to read articles that have statistics? Because it will improve your interpretational skills. You will be interpreting the statistics which will improve your interpretation. The third important thing is doing some secret mock tests that I have included in my book, and if you do those automatically before your exam, you will be getting the exact same score in your exam. For writing and speaking, this video has gone quite long. So for writing and speaking, I will make a new video, and yes, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I'm posting a lot of useful content that will really help you improve your skills. As you can see on the screen that these students, they attempted the exam for 10 times, 9 times, spent $3,000 on coaching, were not able to clear it. And then they contacted me and cleared their exam. So make sure to subscribe to my channel because this week I'm posting the reading series and next week will be the listening series one. So if you are super serious in clearing your exam, subscribe, and bye bye until the next video.